Hello everyone and welcome back to Know-How. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most useful and beginner-friendly Excel function, the COUNTIF function. Have you ever wanted to know how many students passed an exam, how many employees belong to a specific department, how many products meet a certain condition? Instead of counting them manually, Excel can do it instantly using the COUNTIF function. By the end of this video, you will be able to count records based on a condition with confidence. So let's get started. Here I have a student performance dataset. Each row represents one student and we have information such as student ID, student name, gender, department, marks, grade, status, attendance. And today we will solve two practical problems using this COUNTIF function. So here in this cell I will write equal COUNTIF, and in the syntax you can see that we have to provide the range and the criteria. And in the range, if I wanted to know how many students have been passed, I will select this data. After this I'll put comma, and now the criteria is the pass student, so in inverted commas I'll write pass. I'll close the parentheses and hit enter. So in this data 16 students are passed. For example, if I wanted to know how many students have been failed, I will amend this formula and write fail and hit enter, and 4 students are failed. So in this way, I can instantly know how many students have been passed and how many students are failed using this COUNTIF function. Now the second example is related to the department. So if I wanted to know to which department student belongs to, I will write equal COUNTIF, open parenthesis, and for the range, this time I will select the data related to the department. After this I will put comma, and for example if I wanted to know the students belong to the IT department, so in inverted commas I will write IT, close the parenthesis and hit enter. So 7 students belong to this IT department. So today we have learned the COUNTIF function. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Know-How channel for more practical Excel tutorial. In the next video, we will learn the COUNTIF function, where you will see how the counts record using multiple conditions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.